talk about AMD because a lot of people have been trading AMD and we have a lot of bullish and a lot of bearish signs that are happening here. And I think that what could bring a lot of value to you guys is not only knowing what my trade setup is, which we're going to go over in this video, but what I do when there's conflicting information presented in front of me. I've been doing this for 9 years, and as you guys know, my goal is never to be right. It's just to trade my system to perfection or the best of my ability. So let's start now with some bearish aspects to AMD. The first thing is that if we're looking at the 4-hour market bias, we are currently trading under it. We are no longer in this expansion zone, so no longer do we have double red, which is definitely a sign that the selling pressure has subsided. We are still bearish, which is something important to notice though. The other thing is that when we break this support level, which we have right here of about 175, there is a very high chance over the past 300 patterns, 235 of them have actually sold off into lower lows. This means that if we were to enter a short position here at about 171.50 and take profits down at 160, that would give us a 6.38 take profit level. And our stop loss up at a higher high and a break through market bias would be a loss of 3%. This would give us a very, very healthy risk versus reward if we were to enter this right now of 1.7. And a 1.7 RVR doesn't sound crazy like 10 to 1, 20 to 1, but when you have an 80% chance of profit, even a 0.8 or a 0.9 risk versus reward consistently will do the job. So I took a trade on this, took my profits down here at 164. We re-entered a little early today around 168.69, and I'm going to hold on to this position for the next couple of days. Well, what about the bullish setup that you were talking about? Well, if we go through and actually change our indicators, which if you guys want to trade with me every day, get access to all of our private indicators and all of our private settings, you can do that with the link in the description. But you'll see at the bottom left side of your screen, 67% of the time when we have a bullish shark pattern, we end up pushing back up, tap this target. Now, a bullish harmonic pattern, and specifically a shark pattern, is not a pattern that's showing a full reversal. This doesn't mean that we're expecting price to take out higher highs. I'm past that. I don't think that we're going to see AMD back up anytime soon around 210, but I could end up eating my words. At this moment here, I want you to realize that if we would have entered on this pullback here, knowing that there's a 67% success rate, nothing insane, but still very good, and taking our profits back up at 175, this would give us a 3 to 1 RVR. So it seems here that there is a chance that AMD could push first back up to 176, but to be quite honest, I'm not too worried about this. Things are not looking too good, and that's why I decided to go ahead and actually take my put position and follow my gut feeling here, which is that maybe we'll recover to 174, but I do think that we're going to end up selling off in the next couple of days. If you want to trade with me every day, go check out our Discord community. Link is in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.